How to create highlights on Instagram. Open the Instagram app. Click at the profile icon at the bottom of page. You can see plus icon at the profile page. You can add highlights here. Click on plus icon. Here are the highlights. Select any 3-story highlights. Click on Next. Write name of your highlight. Click on Done. Now you can see your highlights below the profile. Click on Highlights and watch. That's how you can add highlights on Instagram. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.